What's up, everyone? It's the fabulous 95, and today I've got a new car for you all. Now, if you saw on my little video on Instagram of a hunt that will be later in a hunt video some other time, I got Kevin Racingtire in a new Chase Race a Lot, which may be reviewed because he is a little different. But then again, he may not be reviewed. You never know with me. Well, we got Kevin Racingtire, which I'm not sure if that's his real name, and I'll get into that after the unboxing. So first, let's look at this guy. Kevin Racingtire. He is the character, well, he's the driver for Shifty Drug, that you know, that one sponsor that kind of died after Cars 1. Danico 400 series. Hey, speaking of Danico 400, Kevin, his name is number 35. On the back, you see a scene from Danico 400, and now I have all those cars. I might rebuy the King and Chick, but I think I'll stay the way I have it. So, now we have that. Let's unbox this guy. So now let's review this guy. Now, I did look. His name really was Kevin Racingtire from the beginning of, from when his first release. And I'm not going to say his first release because I do know, but I don't know. It's complicated. Never mind. And now, the interesting is that Kevin is not the most talented driver on the track. He never was. The reason he's on there is because his father-in-law owned the company of Shifty Drug, which sounds a little shifty if you ask me, of why he's racing, but I guess that's a reason why he is the race car for it. But it also brings up another question that a lot of you are probably having in your head of, wait a minute, does that mean, and we can have a whole conversation about cars and how they get married and stuff like that, but I don't have time for this. It's past my expertise. And the thing is that it's kind of different from, this car is really different from the original release from its original series, because the original version was dark purple, and that was in the series of World of Cars. Give me a second. I'm looking all this stuff up. And I bet there's a bunch of people in they're watching this thinking, why are you looking this stuff up? Don't you know all this? Yeah, that's a no. So, he was first released in the World of Cars series in 2008, Racerama in 2009, and then the Night Skyline series in 2010 through 2011. I guarantee you there's one person who's watching this and wanting to scream nerd. And he was originally supposed to be dark purple, but now he's light purple. And his hauler that they made is basically yellow, which just it's whatever's. Didn't think I'd take off this book again though. And let's actually get into the review of this guy before I don't do it. So, on side 35, his sponsors are Nitroade, Piston Cup, Revolting, Mood Springs, Octane Game, Vitaline, No Stall, Gasket, Gas Sprint, Easy Idle, RPM, Low Trolley Piston, Leakless, Clutch Aid, and one more thing that I can't see. His number's 35. On the back, you see his taillights and stuff. You see Shifty Drug yet again. If it'll focus, there we go. Other side, basically the same. But he's one of those, he's got white rims for his tires, which are pretty cool, since I don't think Mattel ever released a white tire stack, but tell me if they did in the comments below. You see his little grill mustache. You see his hood is yellow with a Shifty Drug, the new way they make the cars with their expressions, and number 35 on the top. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and also, watch my Danico 400 full remake. Granted, yes, I know, you're probably thinking, why did it come out so early? I mean, you're getting all these Danico 400 cars now. Like, James Clanaria, I did get him before I finished it, but I just decided that there was no reason for me to work so hard just to, and then realized that I didn't have James Clean Air in there and didn't just remake it. So I just decided that, you know, it seems like my Walmart's trying to make me plug my own video in here so many times. But that will do it for today. I'm Fab75, and I'll see you boys next time.